This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning. We are now at Saikiao Beach. This is at Satahip. It's a bit, it's about 45 minutes south of Pattaya. We heard that there is nice clear sand and sea over here. This area belongs to the Navy, so you have to go past 3 checkpoints. And then if you are Falang, you pay 100 baht entry fee. If you are Thai, you pay 50 baht. My only concern is that there are freaking monkeys everywhere. This is their habitat and we are intruding their habitat. And well, wifey opened the door for just, I don't know, 1 minute while she was carrying Axel out there. I always close the door because one of the monkeys climb in here. Oh shit. They're gonna climb on the cars. Yeah, shit. Maybe we should brought a car cover, but nobody uses it here. But okay, anyway, we're gonna go to the beach now. Well, here it is, the beach. The water is clear, unlike at the Pattaya. Only problem is that you should not pass. So we cannot go further with the stroller. Probably want to have some food somewhere here, or maybe we go up there. But I was expecting that it might not be that stroller friendly. Dude, watch out for the monkeys, man. They are everywhere. I found out there's no problem using stroller on sand because you see, this is e-Priam. It's electric. It has 2 motors. So when you push it here, it senses and no problem. Use one hand. Yes, the water here is nice and clear, unlike in Pattaya. Wow. I guess it's worth it. It's nice over here, nice scenery, not so noisy with all the motorboats. The kids, they are maybe a bit afraid of all the waves. I think tomorrow we're gonna check out the waterland instead. But the sand here is nice and soft. Nice. Look at it. Okay. Okay. It's nice and soft. Wow. Okay, I've been out in the water with my long speedo, Isabel, yeah. And now the food is here. What you be eating good today? Sea bass and some noodles, yeah, and the green Fanta. We're back at the hotel. The kids, they're totally knocked out. They're playing all day. Alright, evening now. We decided to grab food, just eat in the hotel, and then also grab some fruit here. Yeah, some fruit stall over here. Fresh fruits. Okay, just a quick walk to the hotel. This is just the strip. What is that? Yeah, maybe it's more fun if you come to Pattaya as a single man, but I'm not. Alright, dinner in the hotel room tonight. Man, it is so dim here. So I had to add extra light here. Yeah, the night light. Very nice. No, night. Dude, it's about อยากคายอย่างนั้นได้ไหม Huh? Oh my god. Oh, freaking kids, man. She does that. She doesn't have to do that. She mimics whatever Axel does because he's the baby. She will do the exact same thing. It's actually very annoying at sometimes. And then after food, we have some guava here. Yeah, watermelon and mango. Yeah, yum. You like it, huh? Yum. Axel, yum.